Barcelona has an extensive commercial range, based on a combination of traditional family businesses, big international brands, and innovative commerce, contributing to the creation of a unique Mediterranean model city. Barcelona City Council strives to make commerce a key vertebral link in the city, to make it dynamic, entrepreneurial, and socially cohesive, seeing it of value for economic growth and quality. Commerce in Barcelona has its base in local sourcing, which is important in the eyes of the populace. The extensive network of quality commercial activity in the city is also a part of the Barcelona brand. In this network, an important role is played by emblematic and centenarian establishments, which are part of the city's urban character and represent a heritage that is being preserved and upheld as an asset. In Barcelona, there are 21 commercial hubs where people can wander, browse, purchase, eat and enjoy leisure activities in a plural and quality offering that puts it among the top 10 European cities with most presence in international retail trade. Barcelona is therefore a magnet for shopping tourism, a city asset that grows and keeps growing. Barcelona City Council endeavours to strengthen this position, giving support to initiatives in the sector that help to promote the city abroad. At the same time, Barcelona's network of markets, the largest in all of Europe, helps to proliferate the culture of food based on a balanced diet, which is making it a benchmark city worldwide for its use of markets to benefit its people's well-being. Markets are drivers of local economic development, job creation, urban regeneration, and the fostering of a sustainable environment. Barcelona City Council, in agreement with traders, is developing a plan to help them modernize in a political drive towards local commerce and economic development to make them more competitive, boost tourism, and create a surrounding culture of food produce and gastronomy. Barcelona has 43 public markets, which receive 65 million visitors a year, and half of which have already been modernized under the improvement criteria for commercial practices, energy efficiency, and sustainable mobility. Barcelona's markets are public spaces for interaction between its people. They are places that are looking to the future, with the introduction of new services in accordance with the commercial necessities of the 21st century.